In this tutorial, we're going to walk through how to configure the Lepide Data Security Platform to audit Windows file servers. Before we jump into the configuration, it's recommended that you watch tutorial 1, Getting Started with Lepide DSP. This is to ensure the Lepide server and the other prerequisites are set up correctly. Lepide supports auditing of both Windows file servers and NetApp filers. Supported Windows operating systems range from Windows Server 2008 to 2019. With regards to NetApp filers, we support NetApp 7 mode with data on tap 7.2 or later. We also support NetApp cluster mode 8.2.3 to 9.6 clustered data on tap. For the initial deployment and the purpose of this tutorial, it's recommended to use a service account with local admin rights on the target file server. There is, however, a full least privilege model for the entire solution. More information can be found in our documentation center at lepide.com. So from the settings view, under Add Component, select File Server. Click Add and select between Windows File Server and NetApp Filer. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll select Windows File Server. Next, we need to specify the name of the file server, as well as the service account used to authenticate the file server to deploy the Lepide agent. Next, specify the SQL instance, credentials, and database where you'd like to store the audit data. In this example, I'm going to select an existing database. After clicking Next, the agent will be deployed on the target file server. Next, we're going to add an audit rule into the configuration to apply to this file server. Within this rule, I'm going to select from an existing policy to audit only shares and apply this policy to all users on the specified file server. All of these settings can be amended, new policies created, and agent settings updated from this configuration pane at any time. And that's it. After clicking Finish, we're going to restart the Lepide Data Security Platform. The solution's now auditing Windows file server activity in real time. You'll start to see the changes reflected in the predefined reports.